In this video, we're going to talk about why it's good to use a mortgage broker rather than going directly to your bank. What happens when you don't meet the criteria for your bank? Does that mean that there isn't a lending option for you?
Actually, as a mortgage broker, we have access to a comprehensive range of lenders, and we work with all of those lenders to find the clients the best solution for themselves.
Are you getting the best deal? Do you trust that your bank is doing the best for you?
When you go to your bank, the bank can only offer you products within their range. When you go to a mortgage broker has access to thousands of deals, so can hopefully find you the right solution based on your circumstances.
When the computer says no, we don't say no. Mortgage brokers are built up on long-lasting relationships with lenders. We've got the ability to contact lenders prior to an application being submitted, during the application being submitted, to ensure that we turn that decline to an accept.
Due to our relationship with lenders, we have direct access to underwriters. That sometimes can mean that we can get a quicker decision. It can also mean that you may not necessarily fit the lender's policy, but by speaking to that underwriter and explaining your case, that case is more likely to be accepted.
Affordability models are ever changing. Are you confident that your bank is providing the maximum borrowing potential for yourself?
Well, when you come to a mortgage broker, because we have access to a number of lenders, we can choose the right lender for you. So for example, some lenders may only lend you up to 4.5 times your annual income, whereas other lenders may lend you up to 6 times your annual income. That can have a huge impact in terms of how much you can borrow. When you go to your own bank, you are tied to what they will actually lend you. So by going and accessing the whole market, hopefully that will give you a higher borrowing potential.
By using a mortgage broker, it may give you access to lenders that may give you that extra few thousand that you need to fund your dream home, or that extension that you've always craved for that extra bedroom.
There may also be exclusive products and schemes that are not specifically available for the bank that you choose. So by going to a mortgage broker, you then have access to those schemes. So for example,
schemes such as joint borrower sole proprietor, where you have 2 people on the mortgage but 1 person on the title deeds.
There's also various equity schemes, such as shared ownership or help to buy. These sorts of schemes aren't necessarily always available with every bank, and by reaching to a broker, you can then access those schemes.
More and more applications today are seeing multiple applicants on there. Your bank may restrict you to only applying with a maximum of 2 applicants. However, by using a mortgage broker, we can access lenders for you that can potentially have up to 4 applicants on the mortgage.
Most banks tend to be open 9 till 5. And also when you go into your bank, how long do you normally have to wait for an appointment? Sometimes you can be waiting 2 or 3 weeks to actually speak to a mortgage advisor.
Well, we're a bit different. Brokers,
well, actually our brokers
tend to work 7 days a week, and most tend to work the evenings as well. So you should have plenty of time for a mortgage review.
As you can see, there are a number of reasons why you should approach a mortgage broker instead of going directly to your bank.
Head over and check out our other videos or our more helpful tips on getting a mortgage.